Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to successfully transplant lettuce seedlings. Here's a clip from the show. Next, this is our lettuce that we planted a few weeks ago, and as you can see, we have a couple thin spots here. I think we're missing an entire row right here. So what I want to do is go ahead and transplant a few of these around. That's why you always plant a little extra thick. So you want to pop them up from the bottom. And these are just the right size, which is nice. Pop them up from the bottom, and then we'll get them in, and then we'll get them watered. We got to burp the baby within, 10-15 minutes. We want to get that watered. And that will just make this section a little bit thicker. Lettuce is a cool weather plant, and when it's trying to grow in the heat of the summer, you do have to give it some allowance to deal with some of its struggles. So we are making up for that by moving the plants around, planting a few extra seeds, and keeping the rotation going. Or we'll mix up all the plants here. I think I need a few up here. That one there, and we'll just stick it right there. Okay. So this section is transplanted. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 22. If you'd like to watch the whole show, you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.